Hello, hi mabuhay, bago ka pumain na mahaba pa ang buhay, mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, totoo, pag naiinip ka, wala kang magawa, magdroga. No! Drug makeup tayo, mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Pag drug makeup, meaning to say it was exaggerated or OA talaga yung mga makeup na gagawin mo sa mukha mo. So, let's do some makeup. Yung gusto ko parang mga Anne Hathaway, parang mga Princess Diaries ng atake ng ating makeup for today. So, kung bago ka pa sa akin channel, pakicit mo pa-update ko sa mga upcoming videos. And don't forget, mga ka-barber, to like, share, and subscribe. So, ayun na nga, kung meron kayong mga drama, hinaing, papahula, komento, libre bashers tayo. Just comment down below. So, ayun na nga, make-upan tayo, iraban natin yan. Aha for our foundation, Maybelline Fit Me, and it was Natural Beige 220. So, let's do this. And yet, pag nagme-makeup ka, and we're talking about drug, dapat medyo exaggerated yung makeup na gagawin ninyo sa mukha nyo. Kasi nga pag drug makeup, parang ginagawa mo canvas yung mukha mo. Parang gumagawa ka ng portrait na talagang sa mukha mo ginagawa. Imagine that factor, that talent you've gonna make it ever. Yeah. Makeup lang, tapos gagawa tayo ng kakaibang drama. Foundation yan, laban. Pakak! So, naka-check eyeliner na kagad ako. And I'm using Revolution. It came from Japan, sagot sa kahirapan, Midnight Unicorn. So, ayan. Super emote tayo. So, gagawa nga tayo ng medyo princess yung inspired ng ng drug makeup natin. So, one thing, hindi po siya dapat madumi. Dapat po malinis ang pagkakagawa ng makeup natin for today's video. And again, while you're doing drug makeup, hello, hi, mga drug makeup Philippines yan. And it was came from RuPaul's. Yeah, I love it. And ayun, gumagawa na tayo ng crease sa part na to. So, galingan natin yung pa-crease natin dyan. Kailangan medyo kabog yung makreate natin kasi gumagawa na tayo ng deep set kung tawagin sa mga makeup. Yeah, it was so deep set. So, inuna ko na kagad yung pa-check eye. Nakita nyo naman yung boundary ng check eye, how big it is. So, syempre, ibabagay nyo lang din sa mukha nyo ang makeup. Napaka-simple nyan. Para lang kayong watercolor, no? Tapos, ayan, canvas, parang portrait lang din. Tapos, it's just a matter of makeup to make. So, ganun lang yung emote niya. So, as if you can see, gumagawa tayo ng malinis na crease. And, important kasi para magmukhang bilog yung mata. Kung gusto mong singkit siya, dumilat yung mata niya. So, ganun. So, magbe-blend tayo.
Gusto ko na away yung dalawa. Ako, sinabi mo sa akin, ganun ka, dead ma. Di ba sila, hindi. Sinabi ko ito, mag-aaway kayong lahat na eh. Sabi niya,
It was so lovely. Being drag. I love being drag as well. Cute lang. I don't know. It's some kind of like, I'm gonna express my feelings. Yung nararamdaman mo, yung ginugusto mo, nagagawa mo siya sa mga bagay na alam mong kaya mong gampanan. It was so drag. Hindi drugista, ha? Just say no to drugs. Hindi drug. Drug makeup, yes. We have to fulfill this. Being Barbie, being sweet girl, We have to be optimistic. Kailangan natin lawakin yung mga utak natin sa mga bagay-bagay. How to gonna make our drug as well. So, ganun lang ka-simple para mabuo yung atake ng ano natin. It was a princess inspired parang Anne Hathaway. That was what I want for today. Tapos, ayan, ito, kinamay ko na lang mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl. Kinamay ko na lang. Alam niyo na yan for the nose line. How we're gonna make this. At least. Yung pinakamagandang mga version ng mga drag queen yung gagawin natin. Yeah, a sweet girl lang Tondo. I love doing makeup. It was my passion. It was my loved one to make. And yeah, yung ganyang atake ng makeup mo, for sure lumabas ka kahit hindi mo inaakala. Maliligawan ka. Ayan, it was so simple. Tinalo yung mga Barbie inspired. Tinalo yung mga drag queen. Yeah, we have to fulfill this. Sabi ko nga sa mga kasabihan ko, wag mong i-own. Intayin mong i-honor ka. Medyo durog lang yung eyes about the makeup. Pero yes, it was my drag queen makeup being sweet girl lang Tondo. As always, I'm gonna give you my best about what we're doing. Ayan, powder na lang ba? What else? What we gonna make? What we gonna do? So be it. It was so nice. And yet, mapiwala yara. Masalam. Assalamualaikum salam. Siya to siya. Kansahamida. Tiya. Yala. Toda diba? Daghang salamat mga ka-barber, mga ka-sweet girl for my transformation. Drug. Just say no to drugs. Drag queen lang ang drama. Yala.